Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a local account on Windows 11 without using a Microsoft account. Start the Windows setup process as usual until you reach the screen where it asks you to connect to a network. This is the point where Windows normally forces you to sign in with a Microsoft account. Now press Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the command prompt window. In the command prompt, type start mscxh:/local only and then press enter. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. After you press enter, a new window will appear. This window lets you create a local account directly without needing to connect to the internet or sign in with a Microsoft account. Now enter your preferred username. After that, type a password if you want to secure your account. You can also leave the password blank if you prefer no password. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm your details. Once done, Windows will continue the setup process using your local account. Thanks for watching.